When I first got started creating video content, one of the hardest things for me to figure out was how to make my lighting look good. So I instantly did some research and found the coveted Diva ring light seemed to be the thing that everybody that was doing videos was buying. The thing is, I did not have the money to drop on a Diva ring light. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can create a similar ring light for just $30. Hi, I'm Trina, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs like you get started on YouTube to grow your business. And one of the ways I've grown my business is here on YouTube creating video content. But one of the things that's going to make or break your video content is having good lighting. So I'm going to show you all the material that you need to create this ring light for under $30. Now you can buy these things on Amazon or Home Depot or even Lowe's, and it's a very, very quick project that you can do to get this gorgeous lighting. Here are your materials. It's just a wire wreath frame, a piece of cardboard cut out traced like the wreath frame, some aluminum foil, some wax paper. Then this is just some floral wire wrap and a LED rope light, and this is a 6-foot long rope light. So you want to take your cardboard cutout and you want to first start wrapping the tin foil around the entire cardboard cutout. All right, this is going to give you the reflection on the ring light to make it brighter. Actually pre-cut some wire first so that I wouldn't have to cut and come back to it. Then I took my rope light and I started wrapping it around the wire wreath frame and using the wire to twist it on there so that it stays. And you just take it as you work the whole way around the wire frame. Now I would buy a bigger rope light than 6 foot. This one was a little bit too small. I made it work because that's what I bought, but definitely buy something bigger than a 6-foot rope light. This was also a smaller wreath frame as well, so it was a smaller ring light than an average Diva light. So it all depends on what size wreath frame you buy from the craft store. Once you have the rope light on there, then you want to take the cardboard wrapped in Reynolds wrap and attach the wreath frame to the cardboard by just taking this floral wiring again and just wrapping it around to hold it in place. I just did it about 4 different places on my ring light and it was pretty much secure from there. I just wrapped it around. Your last step in this DIY ring light is to take your wax paper and wrap it around the outside of your lights. This is because it's going to filter the lights and give it that ring light look. So you want to go ahead and wrap that the whole way around your brand new ring light so that the light is filtered when you turn this puppy on. And I just used regular packaging tape to tape the wax paper onto my ring light. Now you have your brand new Diva ring light. Ta-da! Obviously more light is gonna make it brighter. This was only a 6-foot, so the bigger the length, the brighter it's gonna get. And this is what it looks like in the dark. Actually gives you pretty good lighting, right? Dark room with your ring light. Ta-da! And that's basically all you've got to do. So let me know in the comments below, are you gonna be DIYing this ring light? And if you got more questions about what video equipment you should get started with, I have a video on your screen right now you should check out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking that circle picture of me, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!